Hello everyone, and welcome to my second video. For those who don't know me, just a quick introduction. My name is Michelle and I'm the owner of Designs by Mish, a handcrafting website and business to enjoy the things I'm passionate about, and hopefully you will find passionate as well. So I have a long list of items that I need to get done today or tonight, as it's actually very late at night. I do have a 9-to-5 job, and then I run my business after that 9-to-5 job is over. I am in the tech industry, and so that does not allow me for a lot of creativity, and that is partially why I started this small business. Another part of it, in case you don't know, is I'm a mother of 2 autistic ADD children, or AUADD, and it turned out my husband is as well. He has recently found out after 19 years, but neither here nor there. So this was an avenue to help me de-stress, strangely enough, enjoy and find some enjoyment. A lot of my products right now are creations about cats because we are a cat family. We love our cats. We have always had cats. And I know that there's many cat lovers out there in the world. And so I thought, why don't I create items that I, as a cat lover, would love to have out there? And so that is what I have started doing. Quick intro. But enough of that. So today, the first thing I want to do is actually open up a package I received. I ordered it. This is not any kind of promotion or affiliate or paid sponsorship. This is just something I was very excited about. So for those who may not have heard me talk about this before, I love to watch YouTube. In fact, I am watching a YouTube in the background right now of cash condensing from the Aesthetic Dollar. Love watching them. Hopefully I'll be putting in an order soon. But another one that I enjoy watching and have been motivated by is Elise Brienne Designs. And I could be saying the name wrong, and I apologize, Elise. So I grabbed one of their mystery boxes that they just recently had a sale on. Don't know what I'm getting in there. I know it was promised at least a passport, and I chose the cool color option versus the warm color option. So this is going to be a surprise for both of us, all of us, maybe more than 2. So come with me as I open up this exciting package. And apologies for the quality of the audio in case there's any issues. The lavalier mic that I bought, thought I charged it appropriately, and I did not. So I promise by my next video I will have a better ring light, so better lighting, camera, and audio. I'm so excited. I don't know about anybody else, but I love getting packages. Not bills, so I don't get excited about bills. But this is very exciting to me. I know that this will bring me joy, and I know I will use quite a few of these items. I think there might be a Kindle cover in here. I could be wrong. Let's see. Okay, I've never ordered from them before. So, oops, don't look at that. My name is on there. So it's my packing list. And yes, this is a surprise grab bag in the cool colors with a passport cover. So let's take a look. I think this is the passport. How beautiful is that? And it feels so nice. There's their logo. Oh my. Look how beautiful that is. And I know you can't tell, but it's so soft. Very well padded. Oh, I can't wait for my passport to come in and I can use it. All right, so where should we start next? Let's see what's in the bag. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't want to rush this. I get so few surprises in the mail nowadays. Very lovely bag. I'm going to reuse these. And I guess this is her design because it has her branding on the bottom too. Very pretty. Very nice. Definitely reuse. Reuse, reduce, recycle. Sorry. I help run a troop, and so that's something I say a lot of. Oh, how lovely. I love those designs again. Let's see what's inside. Oh my goodness. I wasn't expecting this. Well, hopefully that, but I got pins. In case you haven't noticed from my logo and design, I love blue. Oh, I love blue. My kids love purple, so I'm going to have to hide this pin. And a lovely green. Oh, I make bookmarks too, but I don't do floral designs really. I'm a little nervous about making them because I know what I like. I'm not sure anybody else will. But this is so beautiful. Look at that. I actually will put this in my cash condensing binder and use that. I've just started learning to cash condense. As I said, I was kind of inspired by someone I follow on YouTube, is the Aesthetic Dollar. And I would love to use that in there. It's so beautiful. It is definitely laminated, so I like that. I am hard on things I own, so hopefully this will last me a little while. And there's their logo information again. Oh, and they gave us stickers. I'm a sticker shop, one of the things I make. But I still love stickers because these are not the kind of stickers I would make. Oh, how beautiful. She's known for her floral prints. That's her main thing. Oh, vinyl, I can tell. Espresso latte, cappuccino, mocha, macchiato. I'm not going to even try to butcher that. Unfortunately, I'm not a coffee person. I know. Hot chocolate though and tea, we can talk. Like her rainbows, they're beautiful. I like that they're not the traditional colors, but something unique. Oh, look, a paw print. Hey, I'm the cat person. But that's beautiful, and I would not have thought of that. Oh, she is so creative. The mirror ball, I have seen that on her website. Apparently it's very popular. And she has this in different design parts of her thing, in the sun. And I'm seeing a theme in the colors. Oh, I don't want to put it back in. I just want to stare at them. I'm going to have to put them all over my little desk. Okay. I do like this bag. Does my passport fit in that? Not quite, but it's okay. I can put that in my in my troops bag. Okay. So there's a box here. I don't know what this could be, so let's find out. So exciting. Oh my gosh. I was not expecting this. I need to pay better attention to what could possibly be in a surprise bag. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is gorgeous. Look at this. You know what? This is perfect. These are my colors. I'm into royal blue or navy blues, and I need to take new product photos. Wouldn't that be perfect to put my product laying in that as I took overhead photos of them? Oh, gorgeous. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to put that to the side. Ooh, what else is in here? Reusable bags. It's like they know me. They don't, but you know, if they did, this would be perfect. I reduce, reuse, recycle. So let's take a look. And it says that it looks like that. Let's see if it really does. Maybe you need a... maybe I don't know how to use it. Oh, anybody? I'm going to be watching back this video about how I took it apart. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's cute. Oh, very cute. I wonder what the fabric is. I'll have to look that up. Reinforced. I do like that. It's got that so you can attach it into something if you wanted to. That's its little bag, but you could also store something in there as you're shopping or smaller items. I wonder if this is washable, if I have to hand wash it or if I can throw it in the washing machine. I don't know, and I don't know if my light is doing this justice or not, but it is so beautiful. And I know I chose cool colors, but it definitely has some warm tones in it, which are beautiful. It's just a lovely color pattern. Okay, I'm going to put that to the side. Packaging. What else do we have? Oh, how cute. I'm actually trying to teach myself how to make these so I can put my cat imagery on these. I think people would enjoy that, but it's a magnet. You like that? Is my thing magnet? No. I was just checking to see if my pegboards were magnet. They're not. But isn't that beautiful? And it's a 50 sheet notepad. Oh, how lovely. Okay, what else do we have in here? Ooh, this is nice and big. Once again, love this pattern. Love the colors. College ruled line, 72 sheets, 70-pound paper. Oh, nice. And it's metal reinforced rings. I don't want to open it yet. Like take off the plastic quite yet. But her, I believe that would be her signature. Could not be, but her logo. Oh, how lovely. Oh, so exciting. Oh, and we're coming to the end. Okay, so this is a clipboard. Not as excited, I'll be honest. But that's because I'm very rough on things. And this feels like it's paper? Or maybe it's plastic wrapped in paper. You know, a harder material inside, and it's got a soft overlay. That is beautiful, though. I don't know if you can see it clearly right there. I like the gold tones. This seems a little bit warmer to me than cool colors, but, you know, it was a surprise grab bag. I'm not complaining. Pricing was fabulous, too. So I will try this out. When I have a feeling if I take it to my scouting troop, they are going to steal it from me. I'm sorry. Borrow it. So I may have to hide that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, so exciting. So exciting. Okay. So, looking at my lovely list for today. Let's see. I did my unboxing. I have to check things off. So the next thing I need to do is make some more product. I did have an order come in, so I need to make the products for that order. And then I actually need to make some more business inserts as well. So I will be doing that next. I'm sure you don't want to watch me sit here and do that minute by minute. So there'll be a little fast forwarding through that and maybe some talking. So watch me clean up my desk and get to making some product and packaging. Thanks. Oh wait, look, I didn't see that. I almost missed it. Look, it says doing my best. Amen. Oh, yes, 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 girl. Absolutely doing my best. Oh, I want to put that in big bold letters everywhere. That would be a sticker I would buy. All right, I'm gonna put that right there so I can be inspired for now and get to making product. Okay, everyone, if you've lasted that long, we'll go ahead and pack an order I received. So I add these to the back to give it a little bit more stability in the package. And the order was for one of each of these. So that's why I made so many additional ones. Not waste paper and make up some additionals in the back. So we'll be adding this together with that. And then I have a little bag I put them in. Like I said, this is just for some stability. It's a 3x5. Put them in. I don't know about you, but I like to push them all the way to the bottom. I add, whoopsie, I'm knocking things on my desk. I haven't restocked my packing area, so I need to finish doing that. I do add a business card. Be right back, I need to put it in the pack. So this is nice and stable, see? I'm a little paranoid, so I like to make sure that looks all good. Then I will print out their order and packing. So I like to include their packet they are buying, or package slip, put it all in there. And all packed. So a couple of things I do have to do tonight. I'll do it offline. I know no one wants to see me do that. I need to put up additional pegboard. That will be my packing area. I'll show you what I've been doing so far, revamping my packing areas, or my crafting area. Give me one moment. So kind of just step aside. So camera stand, ring light. I'm getting a new ring light, so lighting will be so much better. But this is what I've been working on to get myself a bit more organized. So I do have this blank wall on this side. I will be putting up my packing station. So everything is within easy reach. Everything I work on is here. I do have a shelf in the back that I won't show you yet, because then you'd see the rest of my very messy house, where I have all my product, my paper, things that I use for long-term storage, and then the things I use every day I actually have below. So I've got my regular printer, I've got a sublimation printer down below, my Cricut, my thermal printer, my iPad, there's the Aesthetic Dollar, and ignore the wires. So that is my setup. Sorry for all the shaking. I will get better with this, I promise. But that's all for tonight. Thank you everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ask me questions, comments down below. I will do my best to answer them. And if y'all have any recommendations for some products that you think might be better, let me know. I'm always learning. I haven't been doing this long. I used to do drop shipping. Did not make my heart happy. Some people love it. I appreciate that. It didn't make my heart happy. So I switched this year, at the beginning of this year, actually in February, to start crafting, and that has sparked so much passion in me. It's allowed me to learn so many things. I have taught myself so much. I'll get into that in another video. This outro is taking way too long. So have a great night, everyone. It is about 1 o'clock in the morning for me. So I'm going to wrap up, try to get some sleep before a long day tomorrow. So thank you for joining, and I hope you come back soon. Bye.